Hey guys, and welcome to this edition of Scruff's Garage. So I thought I'd do a quick video. I've got my 2020 Jeep Gladiator in the garage, and I wanted to show you how I fixed the leak in my Freedom panels. So since I got it new, it's always seemed to leak, more so on the passenger side, but it would drip down inside the vehicle and drip on the passenger seat. It didn't seem to actively leak like while it was raining, but if it had rained heavy the night before, the first couple of minutes of driving afterwards, it was like the water was collecting somewhere and then dumping inside the vehicle. I tried several things, went to the dealership, they were of no help. So what I ended up doing, so this piece of foam, it's a sticky foam, one side sticky. I put it in this channel right here. My theory was that water was pooling up around this bolt. In fact, you can kind of see it's kind of cruddy in there. And then that water would collect and then spill out inside the vehicle when I backed out of the driveway. Now, in theory, it should drain through that channel there. When I first did this, there was a bunch of adhesive glue from when they put this seal in from the factory. I kind of cleaned that out a little bit because it should drain into this. And then that has a drain right there, but that wasn't happening. And it primarily happened on the passenger side, but a little bit on the driver's side as well. So I did the fix on both sides, and I put this piece of Weatherstripping foam here in the channel. I've had this in the Jeep for over a year now, and I can say it has not leaked, not one single time. So I can't say that this is, if you have Freedom panel leaks, I can't say this is always it, but if it's leaking into the vehicle, give this a try. It costs, just pennies. Of course, make sure all your drains are working properly. Make sure the channels are clear. Make sure the gaskets aren't cut or torn. That's some pretty straightforward stuff, but if you're still fighting it, give that a try and see if it helps you. If it does fix it for you, comment in the comments below and let folks know that it worked for you, and I think that may help some other people as well. If you have any questions, feel free to post comments. I'll answer anything that I can. And as always, thanks for tuning in to this edition of Scruff's Garage.